Okay. I want to create a cloud ataupun awan lah kan. Cycle that in After Effects, right? Nak nampak ada awan bergerak-gerak. So senang je. Ni. Okay, ni awan. So saya bagi dia ikut saiz ni lah. Make sure when you do, make sure using Illustrator. Cost vector. So file, save. Make sure you save inside the same folder. Here. Please find the folder, okay? So, yang ni saya tutup. Sekejap. Okay, close Illustrator. And I share the effect here. Remember, we do here, right? The movement. So, this movement, I want to drag here. Sorry, wait. Not responding my After Effects. Okay. Okay. I want to put a cloud here. Yeah. Put here. And drag to here. This one, we can adjust here. You want to make it big or small? Want to make it small here. Or big is up to you. Okay. Then maybe the background color I want to change. So go to composition setting. This color, maybe I'll put white color. Click OK, then OK. So can see? But the cloud is not moved. So what should you do? So first, cloud or awan layer here. Click the arrow. Go to transform. Then I want to make it a bit transparent because cloud, right? So opacity, I click first. I bring until second number 10. Maybe only 70%. You see? Okay. So position, cloud, the movement is very slow, right? So, sorry, I'm delete this one. So position 000 until 10 second here. Maybe the movement only from there to here. See? The cloud movement is very slow. So, yes. Any question? Everyone okay?
Okay, Miss.
Have a lot, right? Today, I share you a